Okay, welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to see about already we have seen how to develop the app. Now we'll go for the Arduino programming part. So first I am just displaying you the Arduino program, then I'll just show you the hardware and the actual demo. Fine. So here we can see that I've just written a simple coding to which is going to do the actual process. So already we know that in your normal Arduino, whenever you open Arduino, you have two sets of coding. One, you can develop a setup part, which is whichever we want to initialize once, and the loop part we have to do it again and again. Okay, so first I am initializing the serial port with a baud rate of 9600. Then I configure my 13th pin as output pin. Fine. Further, in the loop mode, I'm just saying that if any data is available. What I mean by data here, okay, if you remember, we have written the code in the app inventor. Whenever I click on 1, it is going to send a data 1. That is, whenever I click on button 1 is on. Okay, so whenever I click on button 2, that is off, it is going to send a data 0. Okay, this is the data that is going to be received by the Arduino. So it will check whether the data is greater than 0. Okay, so if it is 0, it means that no data is received, that is, it is off. If it is 1, it is going to be I value. Okay, so if serial dot available is greater than 0, essentially we are checking whether some data is coming. So you're checking that value by using this command serial dot read. Whatever the data, it will be given into incoming value. So to better always set the incoming value initially, or initializing the value to 0. Okay, now once we have the incoming value, I'll just serial dot print the incoming value. Data is coming. To indicate that data is coming, I'm just printing it. At the same time, I'm checking if the data is 1, I am making digital write 13 as I. Else if the incoming value is 0, I'm going to digitally write 13 as low. That's the simple logic. Okay, the 13th pin is going to be the output pin. So if it is going to receive a 1, you're going to, that is, when you switch on in your app, it will going to switch on your LED. If you give an low, if it is going to be 0, it is going to switch off the app. Okay, so that's the program. So what you need to do is, once you develop this program, you have to just connect only your Arduino with a USB port. You need to upload this program into your Arduino board. Okay, so once you uploaded the program, I'll just show you the uploading part alone. Now actually you have to check in the tools, it is Arduino Uno. The port, it is COM3. In my mobile, in my PC, it is connected to COM3. Okay, so this I have to ensure. Then I have to just go for upload. So as soon as I give upload, the program will be uploaded into the Arduino. Okay, so it is done uploaded. After uploading is done, we have to continue with the rest of the part. Now I'll just I'll show the next part in the next video. Thank you.